Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy Bitcoin on Gemini, follow these step-by-step instructions to use this regulated and secure cryptocurrency exchange. Step 1. Visit the official Gemini website and click on the Register button to create a new account. Enter your email address, create a strong, unique password, and agree to the terms of service. Step 2. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Then provide personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and home address as required for account verification. Step 3. Complete identity verification by uploading a government-issued photo identification, such as a driver's license or passport. Gemini's verification process is thorough due to its regulatory compliance as a New York trust company. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication immediately after your account is verified to add an extra security layer. Use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy rather than SMS for better protection. Step 5. Deposit funds into your Gemini account through bank transfer, wire transfer, or debit card. Bank transfers are free but take several business days, while debit cards are instant but charge a fee. Step 6. Navigate to the Buy section and select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Choose between the simple interface for beginners or Active Trader for more advanced features and lower fees. Step 7. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase or the dollar amount you want to spend. Review the order details, including the price, fees, and total cost before confirming your purchase. Step 8. Choose whether to keep your Bitcoin in your Gemini account or withdraw it to a personal wallet for enhanced security. Gemini offers insured custodial storage if you prefer to keep assets on the exchange. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.